hello, my precious people. What is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is all about a product review video, and the product that I will be reviewing today is from Staze. Now this is my very honest review, not at all sponsored. I purchased this product with my own money, so I will be providing you all with 110% honest views about what I personally feel about this product. So if you want to know what are my personal thoughts about this product, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am the Sassy Leovan, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Alright guys, so here is our star of the show. This is the product that I will be reviewing today. This is from Staze 929 Gloss Lock 2-in-1 Liquid Lipstick, and they say that it has intense color plus it is transfer proof. Also it has 12-hour long stay. So ये कितना true है ये तो हम wear test में देख ही लेंगे. This is how the outer packaging looks like. By the way, the shade that I went with is 03 I Am Bubbly. इसमें I think 6 shades available है. Talking about the outer packaging, तो it comes in such kind of a black cardboard box, and on the packaging itself they have told that this is how the product will look like. Then as soon as we turn it, it tells us the name of the product. It's ultra pigmented lipstick and color locking gloss. Now they tell you that it has C-lock technology. They also tell you how to use this, that we need to unlock it, like twist करके open करना है. Then we need to glide it, and उसके बाद we have to top it off, that is lock it off all using the gloss. Also they have mentioned that it is PETA approved, vegan, cruelty free and also dermatologically tested. Also you get all the information about the product, who marketed it, who imported it, who manufactured it and where can you shop it. Also we get other information which is very important as a consumer. So I am talking about the manufacturing date and its MRP as well as its batch number and also its shelf life, that is the expiry of the product. You get 7 grams of product for rupees 499. जो प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास है उसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट है 7/20/25. They tell you that you can use it for 36 months from the date of manufacturing. So yeah, we have covered the outer packaging. Now let's dig in, and here is our product. Now this is exactly what I have on my lips right now. So firstly, let's move ahead with the application part. Starting with dabbing off the excess lip balm that I applied, now it's time to apply the product, and this is how the shade looks like. I know it's washing me off even after doing all the research. I happened to order the wrong shade, but I know how to correct it. So मैंने मेरी eyebrow pencil ली है and उससे I am lining my lips, and after merging my lips with the dark colored lip liner, I love how this shade looks on me. Now it's time for the gloss that comes with the lipstick, and look how beautiful it looks. Wow. Okay, so here is the product, and एक side हमें liquid lipstick मिलती है and दूसरे side we get gloss, and ये pretty सी packaging पे I don't know if you can see, but it is written Staze 929. यहाँ पे भी Staze 929 mentioned है, and gloss side पे it is mentioned that it is gloss lock, intense color plus transfer proof 2-in-1 liquid lipstick, and the shade is also mentioned here, that is 03 I Am Bubbly. On the back side they have mentioned its expiry date, that is 6/20/28. So मैं 6/20/28 तक ये इस product को use कर सकती हूँ. They tell you that it is marketed and imported by Honasa. Net content भी यहाँ पे mentioned है, and the shade is also mentioned on the back side too. So this is how the lipstick is looking on me right now. Now let's just quickly have a look कि इनकी website क्या कह रही है. And we are here on their website. Firstly, they say that it is transfer proof liquid lipstick, and for the transfer test this is the clip जब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था एंड मुझे नई नई रिसीव हुई थी, एंड आई कैन डेफिनेटली से कि इट इज अ ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक, बस इसका ग्लॉस ट्रांसफर होता है. नेक्स्ट दे से दैट इट हैज हाई शाइन ग्लॉस एंड approved, checked, definitely it has a high shine gloss. On the website as well as on the packaging, they have told you that it gives you a pout that works 12-hour shifts. So 12 hour to nahi, but we will be definitely doing an 8-hour wear test of this lipstick. So yeah, next claim is mirror shine finish. Definitely it has a mirror shine finish, very nice. They say that it locks intense color. From the transfer test हमने देखा था कि definitely color का बिल्कुल transfer नहीं हुआ है, only the gloss is that which gets transferred. So yeah, on the website it is mentioned that it is feather light and non-sticky. So definitely non-sticky तो है. Now about the feather light thing, definitely I am not feeling कि I have anything on my lips right now. So definitely it has a feather light texture. They say that it leaves your lips feeling luscious and color rich. Definitely it has a one stroke pigment. They also say that it has a kiss proof pout. So yeah, the color does not transfer, only the gloss transfers here and there, but the shine is intact even after transfer. Coming back to our lipstick, first let's talk about this side, जो हमारा liquid lipstick वाला side है. This is the shade, this is how it looks. Firstly, let's talk about the applicator. I really like the applicator. ये कुछ इस तरह से tilted है. I do not have any lipstick with such kind of applicator. So yeah, this is something new for me. Now let's talk about this side. This is the high shine gloss. Plus, if you can see, its applicator, it is a brush like applicator just like हमारे nail paint का होता है. So this is something new for me. I have only seen such kind of applicators in, I think it is NYX if I'm not wrong. So मुझे इस टाइप के applicator सिर्फ उसी में दिखे हैं. So yeah, plus regarding the price point, you get both of these, that is the liquid lipstick as well as the gloss, for 499 rupees. So I think this is quite affordable because you get two of them in one. So yeah, now let's just quickly move ahead with its wear test. Before moving ahead with the wear test, I wanted to show how is this lipstick looking in direct sunlight. So here's a quick close up. Alright my precious people, starting with the wear test. Currently the time is 3:58 PM, that is 4 बज रहे हैं, and as usual I have not had lunch up till now. So this is how the fresh application looks like. So guys, I will quickly change, go have lunch, and I shall see you then. Guys, just had my lunch and look at the lipstick. It is still intact and literally I am not feeling that I have anything on my lips right now. Still there is the gloss, there is this color, everything is intact. And lunch करते करते मैं सोच रही थी कि लिप्स पे कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा है, so maybe लिपस्टिक पूरी ही गायब हो चुकी होगी. But now when I am looking at it, impressive, huh? So this was an update that I wanted to give you. Now next I will give you an update after I have my evening tea. So yeah, hello my precious people, what is up? I am here to inform you that I just had my tea. Now I know I am pretty late, but चाय का कोई समय नहीं होता, okay? So I am here to inform you about the lipstick. This is how my lips are looking right now. So guys, gloss तो almost जा चुका है literally, but हल्की सी shine is still there on my lips. And to be very honest, I am not feeling कि मैंने कुछ भी apply किया है. बीच बीच में व्हेन आई एम डूइंग माई थिंग्स आई फील कि शायद लिपस्टिक वॉश ऑफ हो चुकी होगी, इसलिए मुझे कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा है. बट देन आई सी द मिरर एंड आई कैन डेफिनेटली सी द लिप कलर. सो या दैट इज़ ग्रेट थिंग. एंड ऑल्दो बीइंग अ मैट लिपस्टिक मुझे बिल्कुल भी ड्राइनेस फील नहीं हो रही है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है at my place, but still I am not feeling any kind of dryness because maybe ये हो सकता है कि हमने gloss apply किया था, so that might be the case. But still, if you can see, gloss almost पूरा ही गायब हो चुका है, बस हल्की सी tad bit of sheen is still there. So yeah, but the lip color is still intact. So yeah, that is the update that I wanted to give you. Now I will be seeing you after my dinner. Guys, I am back. Currently the time is 12:17 a.m. हाँ जी, 12 बज चुके हैं and I am done with my dinner. At the condition of my lips, this is the situation right now. The gloss is fully gone, but look at the color. The lipstick is still intact. वो fade out भी नहीं हुई है. Now this was थोड़ा shocking for me because अच्छी से अच्छी lipsticks fade out हो जाती है after having meals, but this one did not budge. इसका color is still intact. I loved how this lipstick performed because I guess 8 hours हो चुके हैं and this is the situation of my lips right now. जो भी मैंने लिप लाइनिंग करी थी इट इज़ ऑल गॉन और आधी से ज़्यादा तो मर्ज हो चुकी है लिपस्टिक में. बट द कलर यू कैन सी in the center of my lips, it is still there. So I'm really happy with how this lipstick performed. About my opinion, if you want to go, you can definitely go ahead with this lipstick. I feel कि 499 rupees में it is quite affordable because you are getting a lipstick also and a gloss too. So yeah, it is a great deal. I feel this lipstick definitely lasts long. Eventually gloss हट जाता है, but I guess it is all fine because touch up तो हम करते रहते हैं. By the way, this is the situation right now and मैंने जब से अप्लाई किया है तब से एक भी बार टच अप नहीं किया. If you want to go, you may definitely go ahead with it. With this, we come to an end of today's video. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.